I had enrolled for DevOps certification course. The course content was covering majority. Read more. Devendra Mishra. I recently had the opportunity to enroll in the DevOps course offered by Edureka, and I. Read more. Joe Frickson. Edureka is a well-known e-learning platform that offers a range of courses, including D. Read more. Rasha Jamshir. I recently completed Edureka's certified course on ChatGPT, ranging from beginner to A. Read more. Satyabrata Barak. I enrolled for Selenium's certification course and in the entire journey from the start. Read more. Rajesh DVN. 1. All courses. 2. Cloud computing. 3. DevOps. 4. Buy and visualization. 5. Cybersecurity. 6. Data science. 7. Programming and frameworks. 8. Project management and methodologies. 9. Others. All courses with 1. Live class 2. 24/7 support 3. Lifetime access.